from the definition of integration as the limit of sum, I can write integration a to b fx dx equals to b minus a limit n tends to infinity fa plus h plus fa plus 2h up to fa plus n minus 1 h by n. These are the n terms in the numerator of the limit. Now in our question, if I compare with the question, I'll get a equals to 0, b equals to 2, fx equals to x square plus 1. One more thing, in the formula where h equals to b minus a by n, so in our question h will becomes 2 minus 0 by n, or I can write h equals to 2 by n. If I put the values of a, b, fx and h in the formula, I'll get 0 to 2 x square plus 1 dx equals to b minus a, which is 2 minus 0. Limit n tends to infinity f0 plus 2 by n plus f0 plus 2 into 2, so 4 by n plus up to f a plus n minus 1 2 by n. So divide by n. So from here I can write 2 multiply by limit n tends to 0. Now if I calculate the value of the various terms, I'll get f0 equals to x square plus 1, so 0 square plus 1 will be 1, f2 by n will be 2 by n square plus 1, f4 by n will be 4 by n square plus 1 up to f2 n minus 1 by n will be 2 square n minus 1 square by n square plus 1. So if I put all the value in the integration, I'll get 2 into limit n tends to infinity f0 is 1, so 1 plus 2 by n whole square plus 1, f2 by n plus f4 by n will be 4 by n whole square plus 1 up to the last term is f2n minus 1 by n, so it will be 2n minus 1 by n whole square plus 1 by n. Since the numerator of the limit has n terms, so if I add 1 n times, I'll get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times, plus I'm just separating the one term and the n variable term, so it will be 2 square by n square plus 4 square by n square plus up to 2n minus 1 square by n square by n. So I'll get 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times gives n, plus from here if I take 2 power 2 square common, I'll get 2 square by n square. It will become 1 square plus 2 square plus, since next term is 6 square, so if I take 2 square common, the remaining term will be 3 square up to n minus 1 square. So divide by n, so limit n tends to 0, n plus 4 by n square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dash up to n minus 1 square. So it will become n minus 1 2n minus 1 by 6, in denominator n is there, so 2 into limit n tends to infinity, I'll get n. From here the n will get cancelled, so I'll get n square plus 2 by 3 n minus 1 2n minus 1 by n square. So if I write the limit is n square plus 2 by 3, it will become 2n square plus minus n minus, so 3n plus 1 by n square, or if I divide n square on both numerator and denominator, I'll get n square, and one by n square into 1 by n square. Then I'll get in denominator I'll get 1, and in numerator I'll get n square by n square, so 1 plus here 2 by 4 by 3 n square by n square minus 6 by 3 n by n square plus 1 by n square. So I'll get 2 into limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 4 by 3 minus 6 by 3n plus 1 by n square by 1. So it will be 2 into, if I put n equals to infinity, this term will become 0 and this will become 0. So I'll get 2 into 1 plus 4 by 3, so it will be 14 by 3.